Let's make a really easy Dollar Tree farmhouse sign using this Christmas Dollar Tree sign that says "Let It Snow" on the front. So just turn the sign over and take just any type of chalk type paint and a chip brush and lightly coat the back of the sign with white paint. This is the start of us making it look like shiplap. So this is such a simple technique. Just take a little tiny artist brush with some black artist acrylic paint and just draw simple little lines back and forth to create a shiplap look. You can transform any regular plain sign into a shiplap sign just using this simple technique. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can grab a little bit of gray paint, which you can do by blending the black and white, and kind of add it here and there to give it kind of that rustic feel, that rustic look. So now we're going to take the wood beads. Of course, we got to have wood beads. Add some black paint and a little bit of water to a Ziploc baggie to coat the beads in the black paint. Then you're going to skewer them onto a stick so that they can dry, and you can place them into a styrofoam block just to kind of give them some support and hang them over a bucket. So these are so fun, so easy. You can go crazy with any colors, but for this sign, we're going to use the black. They look like little black olives, don't they? So just string them onto a piece of twine, and this is going to end up being the door hanger part of your sign. So there were already little holes in the Dollar Tree sign, so it makes it really super convenient just to add your beads to it. Now, the ivy is just a little ivy ring that they sell at the Dollar Tree. It's not seasonal. I believe they have them all the time, but they should definitely have them here in the new year. Now, the buffalo check ribbon, you just tie it and put it around the back, hang it, glue it to the back of the sign, and it works out perfectly. This little welcome piece is from the Dollar Tree, and you can embellish it, make it pop with just outlining it with a simple Sharpie. And there you have it. There is a simple 3-minute farmhouse welcome sign. Let's welcome in the new year with some fun crafts. Such an easy, fun DIY that makes such a bold statement. You can make one of these for yourself or for someone else, but just have fun and remember to stay creative. If you like this DIY, follow Southern Crush at Home for more inspiration.